Welcome. Well, just welcome. Before we even play the intro, welcome. This, I forgot to say while I was recording the part where I unboxed it. But welcome to a new series I would like to call Random Unboxing. And this is the first episode, okay? Enjoy. Heading to Walmart. Oh boy, this is juicy. It's gonna be juicy. Ooh. There was security. I had to put the phone away. Yep. I ain't no other ideas, so I just thought random unboxing. Heater. Dog, where the hell are the heaters, dude? Oh, I found them. Whoa, Yankee with no brim. I don't think these are heaters. I mean, there's a camping heater over there. Okay. TV. I mean, there's fans. But where are the heaters, dude? Oh, that's cool. 360 surround heater. You know what? It's a turbo heater and a fan. Fine. Okay. Let me put this down. Splatoon 3 is on sale. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, it's XP. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Yeah. I'm gonna record this part, but not this part. Excuse me, sir? Is it okay if you help me get a Nintendo Switch game? I'm sorry. Just playing on me in Splatoon 3. Thank you. Is that? Yeah. I was feeling generous. I was gonna give my mama $200 just for the hell of it. And the ATM works. My freaking card, dude. Guess I'll see you guys at the house. There we go. Got my wallet. All right, we back in the house with the heater. Now, if you guys weren't paying attention, I also got Splatoon, but that's for a different day. Let's unbox this. I thought that would work. No. You know what else? You know what would work even better? Z-nail clippers. Nice, dude, nice. This reminds me back at work. Alright. So, this is a screw that problemo. Oh my god. I've always wanted this. The paper. Get that out of here. Get this out of here. Time for the main event. What else is in the box? Nothing? Okay, good. I didn't hit anything. Alright. Heater. Yeah, get out of my skin. Okay, can you? No, like seriously, can you back off, dude? He has a boyfriend. Back off. Now we got the heater. There's two dials. High, low. Okay. Well, let's plug this in. Let's bring you guys at a different angle. There we go. I don't really need to take that off because it's going to be plugged in right here. Right here. Come on, dude. Right there. Out of all my years with technology, I never thought it would take me like 50 years just to plug in something. Alright. Pro tip. If you're doing an unboxing, stop! If you're doing an unboxing video, it might seem funny, but don't throw trash around. Don't fall. I said don't fall. I'm trying to get a good camera. So I put that cover on there. Okay. Heater's plugged in. Is there like an on button or something? At the bottom? Oh. Even. Oh, that's cool. Okay, now you can fall. Okay, so there's this. That's so cool. So there's a button down here. If you press it, it activates. So, if we bring you guys down here, it's on, but it's not turning on. Now it's on. It's pretty cool. Seeing that I'm gonna have this right next to my desk is pretty cool. Anyway, now for the moment you've been waiting for. Mom. There you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Just leave it in.
Yes.